morning. Hello guys, good morning. Bibigyan natin ng reaction tong video na to. Guys, pakita natin guys yung lakas niya guys. Ito guys, panoorin nyo guys ang video na to guys. Tapos nyo guys at paki-like, share na lang sa video na to. Let's go guys, reaction video to. Tingnan natin. Share na lang sa ating video guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-follow, mag-follow lang guys.